Hey everybody, it's Eric with Muscle Cars with Eric coming at you today, and I have this cool cat here. His name is Jack, and we're sitting in this really bad-to-the-bone car. It's a little windy here, good guys today, so that's why we're sitting inside it. But all right, Jack, so tell us all about this car, because it's a beautiful car. It's just gorgeous. What year is it?
It's a 1967 Camaro.
Okay.
I started it in 2000. It was a build that I basically learned how to do a lot of things on this car. I learned how to weld, didn't have a whole lot of skills. I had some body working skills when I first started the build.
Okay.
But it was a 5-year process. It took a lot longer than I anticipated. But
so you did most of the work yourself?
I did everything but the paint.
Wow, good for you.
So,
tell you what, this looks really cool too, man. This
yeah, a lot of the
amazing.
interior pieces I made. I did a lot of the fabrication work on the car, a lot of the sheet metal work, I got a TIG welder. I TIG welded everything. Just really kind of self-taught myself on a lot of the build itself.
That's a lot of work to teach yourself, and then how to fine-tune it, polish it, and make it presentable, because this is an award-winning car now, isn't it?
Yes, it was actually on the cover of Hot Rod magazine back in 2008.
No way, that's so cool.
So I won a contest where they did garage-built cars.
Really?
And they had like over 3,000 entries.
And
I won the grand prize.
That is so cool.
They came out and shot the car.
Really?
On the cover of Hot Rod magazine.
That's pretty cool. They shot the car right here in your hometown.
Yes, yes.
And you live here in this area, right?
I do.
Okay,
I
cool. In the
live
Phoenix
in
area.
North Phoenix.
Wow, good for you.
Area.
And this is neat. The paint here, we're going to pan to the paint here, and we're at this is the inside of the car. I've already shot some video of the car, but what color is this paint considered?
It's House of Color Candy Tangerine.
Candy Tangerine. That's
with
cool.
A custom mix on the stripes. The stripes are a mix of root beer and candy red to try to just do a muted.
Very well done.
Like.
Who did the paint job for you?
Matt over at the candy shop.
Okay.
At the time, he was working for another gentleman who's no longer in business.
Okay.
But,
gotcha.
I still stay in touch with him. He's a good guy. He's
That's cool.
Taken care of me over the years.
Nice. I noticed you have a lot of satin finish on the interior here. Was that purposeful,
yes,
or did you just kind of accidentally fall into it? It was purposeful?
No, from the start I like the muted tones. I like the brushed, and plus it's something that you can easily reproduce. Even the console I custom made. I routed the aluminum, I brushed the aluminum. The door trim I remade to look like factory, but it's actually aluminum that's been brushed.
And you did all this work yourself?
All of it myself, yeah.
That is so cool.
So
now, do you have any technical skills? You said some, but primarily body work, but what do you do for a living, if I can ask?
I grew up in the sign industry.
Okay,
and
all right.
I was actually a neon glass blower for 25 years.
No way, that's so cool. I bet you have some cool neon signs in your garage too, don't you?
Believe it or not, no.
No kidding, really? Wow.
I worked it, so just like anything else, when you're in it,
true. You
really just don't want to see it.
No, I
know.
I
So,
don't bet.
yeah,
This is
25
neat.
years of blowing glass.
That's so cool. Now, I like what you did with this interior. It looks to be stock, but the color's cool, and so you have some pretty serious gauges here. So, and I know you have, is that a Pro Charger? It is a Pro Charger.
It is a Pro Charger.
So what size engine is in this?
It's a 383 stroker.
Okay.
The bottom end's all built for the blower, the piston, the compression ratio and everything. It's got AFR heads with a Pro Charger. It's got methanol injection before the Pro Charger.
Wow.
And after.
So what kind of horsepower you're throwing out here with the Pro Charger?
I've done a lot of seat tuning on it. It's got an XFI box with another gauge in there where we do the computer and everything else.
That's cool.
So we do everything by laptop in this car, and I've done a lot of the tuning, but I haven't had it on a dyno. It should be pushing 650.
That's very, very respectable.
And it's got a 5-speed TKO.
I like that.
Tremec trans,
That's pretty cool right there. Jack, I want to thank you so much, man. Appreciate it.
You know
what we say on Muscle Cars with Eric? Drop it like you stole it. Can you say drop it like you stole it for us?
Drive it like you stole it for sure, man.
All right, right on. Thanks, dude. Appreciate you, man. Hey guys, thanks for watching the last video. I hand selected a couple videos for you to watch right now. Click here.